Now, if you have grown strawberries, you'll realise that you get free plants every year from your strawberry plants. Can you believe it? Runners grow off strawberries and then they root, and that's really how they spread. So if you pull off one of the runners, you'll notice there's little baby plantlets on the end of each one. Isn't nature marvellous? The secret is you just take one of the runners, get hold of your secateurs, snip off the runner, and you've got a brand new plant. Look at that, even with its own roots. Just get hold of some peat-free compost, pot it up into the compost, get in there nice and settle, and hey presto, you've got a baby plant. Now it's perfect for replenishing any strawberries that are getting a little too old, sharing with friends and family, or expanding your strawberry growing area. Personally speaking, I need as many strawberries as I can get growing, because the moment the kids up here, they've fleeced the lot. If it's not them, it's the birds. So grow plenty of strawberries and don't forget your free ones. The magic of gardening isn't just in the bite, it's the enjoyment of watching and caring and tending for plants in your own garden. Incredibly good for your physical and mental well-being.